How to verify Fiverr account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Fiverr on your device and log into your account. Then click on your account at the top right corner of your screen, which is your profile. Then click on Settings. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Personal and Business Info on the left side. Then click on Verify in here, which is Identity Verification. Then select How do you plan to use Fiverr and press on Next at the bottom. In here, add your country code and your phone number. After that, you can choose Verify by call or Verify by SMS. Code will be sent, and then you can simply paste the code, which will verify your Fiverr account. This is how to verify Fiverr account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.